Now, Rachel Garceau with the On Your Side forecast.
Well, if we had a weather face scanner, if that was a thing, I think there'd be a lot of happy faces this morning. Things have improved a little bit as far as that haze and that smoke goes. You can't really smell it in the air this morning. So we'll talk more about that. I know you can't see what is happening out there right now, but we do have pretty clear skies. This view is from our Red Lion camera, part of the Toyota Tower Cam network. And as far as conditions go this morning, we're still sitting at 71 degrees. So a beautiful, comfortable start. We still have that very light wind out of the southeast. Now the direction of the wind is key this morning. We had the breeze pop up yesterday. It was a little bit gusty here in Nampa this morning as I arrived into work, and that's what's kind of helped scour out some of the smoke. So it'll be a little less hazy today, but we're not completely out of the woods yet. Look how cool it is around Boise. Boise definitely one of the warmer spots in the region right now. At 64 for Mountain Home, just 61 in Ontario. Stanley sitting at 44 degrees, and it was a bit of an unsettled day up in Stanley yesterday. This is the time lapse from Wednesday. Look at this, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We saw some storms start rolling through. There wasn't a ton of rain necessarily, but gusty winds, some lightning strikes as well, and then the smoke just settled back in. They were still at 79 degrees though last night at 7 o'clock. And here's a look at the storms from the last 12 hours. At this point, most things have cleared up. You can see a lot of activity rolled through again from the Stanley area east and then south into eastern Idaho and down to the Magic Valley. The Treasure Valley once again escaped all of that activity. And again, we have no air quality warning in place right now this morning. That does not mean that it's gone for good necessarily or that it's going to be completely 100% crystal clear today. It just means we've improved, which is great news. Not the case for areas like Blaine County, the Sun Valley area, Lincoln County's Cassia County. They are still under, all of you in that area, under an air quality alert, as is the entire state of Washington this morning, northern Idaho as well, and much of Oregon. There are still many, many fires burning across the region, so that's why we will still see the haze out there today, just not quite as intense. And this pattern of those afternoon to evening thunderstorms popping up will continue for the next couple of days. Here's this evening, Stanley, Sun Valley area. You may pick up a couple of storms again today. Will clear up and calm down tomorrow during the daytime hours, but Friday 5 p.m. we see another chance of some storms. Magic Valley, you may pick up a couple of storms, maybe a couple of quick moving cells possible there by Saturday morning. Again, we'll clear up a little bit and then see some cloud cover coming and going over the weekend, and temperatures stay warm through all of this. We stay a couple of degrees above normal for the extended period that is through the weekend until early next week. That nice change is coming in. But here's our highs for today. 97 for places like Weiser, Vail, and Ontario. 94 for Mountain Home and Boise today. Hazy up in Idaho City with a high of 88 this afternoon. Mid 80s for McCall, but with some areas of smoke. Other than that, mostly sunny skies. And our extended forecast shows those temperatures just hovering in the mid 90s, getting a little hotter Saturday with that high of 97. Then look what happens overnight Sunday into early Monday. Breezy conditions, but that's because we have some cooler air moving in, mid 80s by early next week.